Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to appear offline in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday app, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where all you need to do is to follow through step-by-step on-screen processes to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Heyday. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to appear offline in Heyday. I'd like you to know that you cannot appear offline directly on the Heyday app. So it means you have to connect your Heyday to Supercell ID so you can change the settings on Supercell ID. How do you do that? From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that. You have these extended options which include edit mode and settings. Click on settings and that takes you here. Now the settings, you have music, sounds, language, credits, change file name, advanced settings, all the way down to help and support. But at the top corner, you have the Supercell ID. If you have not connected the Supercell ID yet, right there in that button that says connected is going to be login. So click on login and follow through the step-by-step processes, self-explanatory, to connect your Supercell ID to Heyday. So once you're done, go ahead and click on connected in Supercell ID, and it takes you right into Supercell ID. So from here at the top left corner, you have the settings wheel. Click on the settings wheel and it takes you over here. Now in this settings window, you have the show online status, you have receive new friend requests, you have firm name, you have your firm, and all the way down to privacy policy. All right, so for you to appear offline, here where you have show online status, go ahead and turn off the toggle. So once you toggle that off, you see that you're offline. You now appear offline, right? You're not online again. How do I know? Over here we have Amy Farms. You see that it has turned gray. So once it turns gray, it means you are offline. So if I click on the toggle, if I toggle it on, you see the status says online. So if you toggle it off, you see it is gray and it means I'm offline. So that is how to appear offline in Heyday. Now you can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.